Hi, friends. Love is bliss, and love is the essential ingredient of life. Where there is love, there is peace and happiness. Mahatma Gandhiji has said, where there is love, there is life. And during partition time, when there was widespread communal violence, he had said, those who torture will not love, and those who love will not torture. Friends, love is universal. It's only love that can keep us happy. Robert Browning has said, take away love, our earth is a tomb. Take away love, our earth is a tomb. Friends, today I would like to recite a poem on love composed by Swapan Seth, a renowned poet. I happened to buy one of his books in New Delhi airport a couple of years back, and I have chosen this poem on love to share with you. So here I go. On love. One day you will find love, or rather, love will find you. Suddenly, from a crowd of people, it will spot you, lurking as it may invariably does behind the curtain of hesitation, wondering whether you will recognize it or reciprocate it. If it makes you skip a beat, go and embrace it. Love is life's glue. It is what binds people. Love is love with desire, love with dignity, and love deeply. Love fiercely and love fairly. Many are lucky in love and many are unlucky. Don't worry about that. You will fall in love and out of love. Love is unreliable. It has many disguises that confuse people. Get confused, get deceived, but don't get cynical about it. It takes its time to find you. It searches the universe before it gets to you. And when its true face stares you in the eye, hug it and make it your friend. Because love is a lifelong companion. Not everyone is lucky to have it. Most people tuck away their love in their hearts. Wear yours on your sleeve, but be unfaithful. Love many things. Love your family, love your friends, love your interests, love your work, love a book, love a tune, love a poem, love a wine, love a flower, love a work of art, love a smell, love a place, and be generous with your love. The more you will give, the more you will give, the more you will get. And love unconditionally. Love is not a contract. It's merely an obligation to being alive. And never expect love to come back in the volumes in which you give it to others. There is always a little that spills as it journeys back to you. Thank you very much.